Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and this is part two of this spacing this line out. And the person I did it for, or somebody else, asked me, they've already watched it. I just did this about an hour ago, where you have this line and you're spacing them 7/16 apart, which is 0.4375, and they were questioning how you could make this read the real decimal place. And I was just trying to go over it with them. And you can take your parallel dimension tool, and if it's fixed up here to more digits, you can see it's 0.4375. But you can actually go in and change this. That's really close enough, but you could go to Tools, Customization, under Workspace, go to Edit, and right there you can change the decimal places to 4. Let's go 4. Now it is at 4.4375. So when you know, if you feel more comfortable with that, and I'm probably right with them, that way you know for sure if it's on the money. If you were trying to do something perfectly. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.